Near Manchester Airport, the visitor park in the background there. Everyone turns up for the A380. Alpha 6-Echo Uniform Delta. As I say, as you know, it took 7 hours 7 minutes to get to Manchester, travelling 3,057 nautical miles in the process. And the aircraft, as I say, is 7 years old. Here comes the A380. So you get two Emirates in the background, which is going to be unusual. But yeah. There you go, A380 at Manchester Airport. Wings are still up. Should be going back down them soon. Size them wings.